Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a micro luxury container living pod in Houston, Texas, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about these modern shipping container apartments. Good, welcome back. These 20-foot shipping containers have been repurposed into unique private micro-luxury apartments. Built with sustainability and the environment in mind, each 20-foot container constitutes a single apartment. This dream house is one of a kind, vacation hotspot where you can enjoy being in a quiet area to relax away from the noise of the more touristy areas. The space offers air-conditioned accommodation and guests benefit from private parking available on site and free Wi-Fi. The containers on top are suspended the two corners of the containers sitting on the ground floor shipping container and the other two corners suspended on steel stanchions to create a covered entrance porch and outdoor dining space. The containers on top are set apart to create an open space and a staircase lobby. There is a 2-foot wide spiral staircase to access the first floor level accommodation. Each apartment has one bedroom, a flat screen TV, an equipped kitchenette, and a spacious bathroom. The container cabin has a side entrance with a glass door ushering you into an open-plan living space. The minimalist and clean yet abundant and welcoming interiors offers a thoughtful piece of artwork. A sitting area with a mobile table is a perfect place for reading a novel, a magazine, or even enjoying your favorite programs on the flat screen TV mounted on the wall. The spacious room is illuminated by natural light with floor-to-ceiling glass windows, creating a seamless connection between the outdoors and indoors. The area is painted in light colors to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows, helping to kill that claustrophobic feel of living inside a shipping container box. The bedroom has a super comfortable full-sized bed with patterned beddings, a huge dressing mirror, and an air con mounted on the wall. There is a luxurious bathroom featuring a toilet, a rainfall shower head under the sink storage, and a big mirror to create a spacious bathroom. In addition, the floors-to-ceiling sliding glass doors create a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. There is a shaded Juliet balcony that is perfect to read a good book or just have your morning coffee and enjoy the stunning views of the neighborhood. This home has a private covered balcony that anyone would love to sit and relax any time of the day and have a cup of coffee or relax and enjoy the good summer weather. The clean, sleek cable railing makes the deck a safe place while still offering unrestricted views of the surroundings. Meals can also be enjoyed outside thanks to the large outdoor dining area and barbecue space. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a light shade of blue, which adds to the industrial language of the design. The house is fitted with a proper roof above the shipping containers to keep away all the weather elements from the shipping containers. This beautiful, luxurious shipping container pod is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $26 per night. The minimalist artistic interiors of the Great Retreat is our most outstanding feature of each pod. Which part of this amazing shipping container outlet appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video.